Oh, to see Uncle Aristide. These are people coming, so you shine your eyes to see Uncle Aristide. Shine your eyes to see Uncle Aristide.
Explosion in Buea, mountain race. Car just exploded and has wounded a lot of people. We don't know how many people have been wounded yet. We don't know how many people have been loaded yet. These have been wounded. This at Bonima Gates, just opposite Grand Andre. A white car, white jeep, has just exploded and wounded a number of people who were standing beside it. They have been rushed to the hospital. While the mountain racers were running by, the thing exploded. That was like 5 minutes ago. We're talking around 10 minutes past 7 that the explosion occurred.